Dee Howard at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. I am at 1658 Barrett Drive. And why am I here, you ask? Well, I'm having an open house on Sunday, September 27th from 1 to 2 p.m. This is an awesome renovated house. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, under $300,000. It's the 333 number. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, under $300,000 in the 30318 zip code. Close to 285, close to Atlanta, Smyrna, Mableton. You have access to everything right here. I want you to think about this. Who do you know that is looking to buy a house right now? If you aren't looking, can you send the video to someone else that may be interested? Can you help a sister out? Send them my way Sunday, September 27th from 1 to 2 p.m. I'm counting on you. Take care. Bye for now.